Play for me B minor.
Hey folks, David Stewart here. It's time for part 6 of my Segovia scale series. This one is B minor, that is B minor. And if you are a university classical guitar student, you need to know this scale. Because every time you go in for a jury, you're going to get asked to play B minor. Why? Because it's different on the way up than it is on the way down. It's got all kinds of hard shifts. It might be the hardest of the Segovia scales, and of course it goes all the way up to the highest note on the classical guitar, the 19th fret, the high B. So B minor, let's take a look at it. This is one that you can use to play B minor. And if you start this pattern on the first fret, you can end up playing B flat minor. And again, just like all other Segovia scales, this is a melodic minor scale, which means the 6th and 7th scale degrees are raised on the way up. There's 6th and 7th. And then on the way down, they are lowered. Okay, so we're going to do this as a melodic minor form, just like all the others. Starts right here, 2nd position, 2nd fret, 1st finger, 5th string. That's B. And we're going to go from there. It goes 1, 3, 4. So finger 1, 3, 4 on frets 2, 4, 5. And then on the next string, 1, 3. Then already you have to do a shift. And you're going to shift up to the 6th position. And when you do this, if you can fully let go, you'll eliminate any kind of string noise. You're going to do 1, 3 on fret 6, fret 8, 4th string. Then you're going to do another shift up all the way to the 9th position with finger 1. There's the octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. We're at the octave. From here, you're going to go finger 1, 3, 4, again in that 4-fret box. 1, 3, 4 on frets 9, 11, 12. On the 3rd string, 1, 3 on frets 9, 11. And then on the 2nd string, 1, 3 on frets 9, 11. Shift up to the 12th position. And if you don't have a cutaway, you'll be reaching over the guitar body at this point. You're going to do finger 1, 3, 4 on frets 12, 14, 15. Then you're going to go up to the 1st string, fingers 1, 3 on frets 12, 14. Then you're going to shift all the way up, right up here, so that we end up lining up on the 19th fret, and that is actually the 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th position. There we go. 16th position, so your first finger is lining up on the 16th fret, and if you don't have a cutaway, you'll be reaching over the guitar like this, and you're going to finish off 1, 3, 4 on frets 16, 18, 19, all the way up on high B. Hopefully you can see that. 16, 18, 19. There's the ascending version of the scale. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, shift to the 6th position. 1, 3, shift to the 9th position. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, shift to the 12th position. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, shift to the 16th position. 1, 3, 4. Then it's different on the way down. You go 4, 2, that's the 17th fret. Then you shift back to the 12th position. Finger 4 on the 15th fret. 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1. So that's 15, 14, 12, 15, 14, 12. Then from here, you're going to shift down to the 7th position. 4, 2, 1 on frets 10, 10, 8, 7. Then from here, you're going to shift again down to the 2nd position where we will finish the scale. 2nd position, which means your 4th finger is lining up on the 5th fret. 4, 2, 1 on frets 5, 3, 2. Then 3, 1 on the 3rd string on frets 4, 2. Then 4, 3, 1 on the 4th string on 5, 4, 2. And end with 4, 3, 1 on the 5th string, landing again on B. That's 5, 4, 2 frets. So the entire scale, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, shift, 1, 3, shift, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, shift, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, shift, 1, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, shift, 4, 2, 1, shift, 4, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1. Now, this scale is really good to practice, not just because it goes all the way up to the high B, which on a classical guitar, normally, because I'm playing on a Godin, it's easy, but normally you have to reach quite a bit over the body to get to these notes. So it's good to practice for that. This scale is different from the A minor pattern that we did before, mostly because when we're working over the body, it's difficult to play all the way through down to the 6th string over the body. So instead of playing down to the lower strings while we're over the body, we shift down to a more comfortable position to reach all of those lower strings until we get down here, and it's nice and easy. This is also a really interesting scale because it has shifts multiple times on one string, where you may be shifting between 3 different positions on a single string rather than shifting between 2 positions on a single string, which makes it a little bit extra challenging. We have several cases where we do that. The first one is right when we get to the 4th string. 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, shift, shift. We have 2 shifts in a row. Okay, that's quite difficult. Then we have another one. We go from here to here to here. We have 3 different positions on our 2nd string before we finish off this scale. The scale right there, okay? So this is a really good one to practice. If you get down here to the 2nd position and are playing through the scale is the same as the middle position in G major. Same pattern, but here in the 2nd position. All right, that's B minor. That is a very difficult Segovia scale. It is one, like I said, if you're a university guitar student, you're probably going to have to play this, so it is worth your time to go through it. And I really, really appreciate you watching, by the way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Visit my website. It's dvspress.com, davidvstewart.com. David V. Stewart will have most of my music stuff. And keep practicing and have a great time with these. Thanks so much for watching.